We just got a signal to go short, so I am going to get into this sell trade. Now I'm in the trade. My stop loss is going above this recent swing high, and my take profit is going 1-to-1. Now, the reason for this trade is we are in a downtrend. This indicator at the bottom is the trend indicator, and it is red. We were looking for the pullback. We got the pullback of the array, turning the array from red to green, and then we resumed that trend direction. So on this one candle here, we've got all the criteria met for a short trade. We got the candle that closed underneath the array. The arrow appeared above the candle. The validator dot on this one candle turned red. And again, during that pullback, this trend indicator stayed red throughout that entire process. So at this point, I'm going to let this trade play out. And if I get an opportunity to manage the trade, I will do that along the way. But I'm going to record this video, let it go. And when we get our take profit hit, I will return. All right, we got taken out of this trade. Now, this trade was a little bit of a nail biter. We had the market get just below our exit, but because this is a sell trade, we need to get below the exit level by whatever the spread is, and we didn't quite do that. So both of these wicks here got below that exit level, but didn't tag the actual exit mark. This one white candle here, the wick got right to that exit level, but again, it didn't get below it by the spread. And finally, we did get a candle that took us out. Now, we were able to manage the trade along the top side of this array, and that did ultimately get us into profit. So if we were going to lose on this trade, we would not have lost any money on it. We would have made just a little bit of money, or in this case, because we hit the target, we made all the money. Now, this was a fantastic trade thanks to the Forex Profitude trading system, and I'll see you in another live trade video. We're looking to take a trade on the Euro US dollar 1 hour time frame, and right now there is potentially a trade in the works. We have a really nice strong downtrend, and the Profitude array is red and nicely separated. The price started under the array, and what we're looking for is a pullback into the array. We have that here as the price moved into the array and turned some of the array lines green. At this point, that is the setup that we want to see, and from here we're looking for the price to close under the array to continue the downtrend. Right now, things are looking good as the validator dots have turned green and then back to red, and the trend indicator has been red throughout this pullback process, telling us that the trend is clearly down. What we're looking for on this candle is a red arrow to appear above like this one here, and if that happens, all the conditions will be met for a short trade, and if I get that arrow, I will place a sell trade, and I will be right back afterwards. We got the signal to go short, and I took the trade. We got the red arrow above the price, and everything else was in alignment for that short trade. The stop is placed above the recent market swing, and the take profit is placed at 1-to-1. The target on this trade is 112 pips, and at this point, I will simply let the trade play out, and I will be back when the target gets hit. We were just taken out of the trade, and the target was hit with no problems at all. The trend continued to go down as suggested by the indicators. This was a very nice, easy, and profitable trade thanks to the Forex Profitude trading system.